Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this retouch filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this filter on Instagram, let's go to the creator profile. Victoria is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. So check in her filter gallery and this is the filter, retouch. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can try it. So suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, likewise. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.